Fucking hell. What is going on? How long do these young guys take to fucking film? What's this thing called again? The Hot Ones. Sounds like a fucking movie from the 70s. They're fucking slow. Let's go. It's only a fucking wing. It's about 1.5 inches long with a fucking stupid fucking sauce. So this is how you make the wings? Are you fucking kidding me? Excuse me, that's it? Show me those fucking things. They're dry. How many weeks did you cook them for? They're fucking disgusting. There's me thinking it's a properly cooked fucking chicken wing. This is the worst kitchen in America. Where's the milk? That's the milk. Really? The milk's fucking sour. Jesus Christ. We can't even get fresh milk. This is how you plate food? It's like a fucking cricket bat from the fucking 17th century, you idiot. Who did your research? A fucking monkey with a typewriter? Are you that shit? I did a deep dive on your fucking Instagram. What's wrong with you? Can you grow a pair? Ice cold milk. Can I make it any fucking clearer? That means chilled milk. It's fucking boiling, you muppet. Get Gordon Ramsay. Get Gordon Ramsay. Get fucking Gordon Ramsay. Wake up, Sean! Let's go!